What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and this is Overshoot. Last week I did a live stream to design this SMD resistor tester on an Arduino shield. Today we're going to be laying out the PCB to get it ready for production, so let's get into it. Alright, let's start by placing the components where we want. It looks like there's a couple of traces where there shouldn't be, so we'll just delete those. Next, we can start routing the traces. I am also adding some text to identify the resistor sizes. Finally, I'll add a rule set for the trace width. The selector just needs to be set to trace. We'll set that to 20 mils. Okay, let's look at the 3D model. Yeah, that looks pretty good. To export the Gerber files, just go up here, down to Export, and Gerber zip. I'm going to send this off and I'll update you all when I get it, so make sure to subscribe. If you want me to lay out a board for you on this channel, leave a comment and I'll reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.